to week number 10 of the fiber gifts. So in the box, as per always, I have things to show you. So let's have a look. Da 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 da, da 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 da. Da, 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 da. So this is the Magical Merino fiber top. And this is just a beautiful blend of 95% merino in beautiful colors, and then also 5% stellina, which is the sparkly stuff that you see in here. Spins up beautifully, so don't have to worry about any of that sort of stuff. But this one I think is my favorite of all of them. This is only 3 of the 8 colors that we offer, so there are many more choices. Don't just think that these are the only 3, because it's not. But this stuff is really nice. Originally, each bag of 250 grams is $32.99, but we're gonna put it on sale for $25.99, so pretty good deal. And this stuff is actually gonna go on sale for you on the 20th of December, so getting really close to my birthday, actually. But just check out that stuff if you wanna have any of this beautiful business in your stash of things to spin or felt with later, perhaps in the new year. Or even before that, who knows.